Hello again, seventh grade. For those of you that had me last year, you know that we did our bell work on Google Classroom. But since we're using Canvas this year, bell work is going to work a little bit differently for you. So if you look at the Bitmoji Classroom on our homepage on Canvas, you will notice that on the whiteboard, we have a button that says Bell Work Questions. And if I click on it, it's going to open up the Bell Work Question slideshow. This will change every week. Now, if you notice, when I go to Tuesday's Bell Work, you cannot see the question yet. It will be like this whenever I post it. And as we work through the week, I will be taking these off. When I take this off, you will see the question. These will not be removed until the morning of that question. This is because I really don't want you to work ahead on bell work. I want you to do it day by day. So that slideshow will be available for you every single week on this button. Now, if you have missed bell work and say you weren't there on a Friday and it's a new slideshow, I'm going to start putting the slideshows on a page, and you will be able to access it by going to pages. See, remember when we click on pages, it's going to take us to the home page, but then if you go up here, view all pages, you'll be able to find it there. So let's go back to home. So that's your slideshow, which you're going to have to keep open while you do your bell work so you remember the question. Then the second button says bell work answer sheet. Again, this will change every week. And if you miss a Friday, the bell work answer sheets will be found on the assignments page over here. Okay. So when I open the bell work answer sheet, it's going to take you to an assignment page, and you will open it by clicking the blue link. And this is what it'll look like. Please always put your name. I know that it's going to be turned in by your name, but I would prefer to see your name, because when I start grading these, a lot of times I I have to go back and forth to see who I'm grading. So put your name here, and then you have an answer box for every day. Now, if you end up typing more than a line, this box will get bigger as you type. So don't worry about the fact that it looks small. Um, Please do not change the font or the font sizes in these. It just makes it harder for me to grade. And please always answer in a complete sentence. Now, at the end of the week, after you've done Friday's bell work, you will come back to the bell work assignment page. You will have a submit button over here. I don't, because I'm the teacher, but there's a blue submit button over here. You will click that blue submit button to submit your bell work for that week. Only click on the submit button on Fridays, because if you do it again, you can open the answer sheet again, but more than likely it'll open a new answer sheet, and you can't submit 5 times in a week. My assignment is set up so it will not take 5 submissions. So only submit your bell work on Fridays. Okay, so again, going back to the home page, your bell work question slideshow is here, and your bell work answer sheet is here. You need both of them open while you're doing your bell work. Once you have finished the bell work for that day, you can close both of those tabs. And that's it for bell work. Remember, if you ever have any questions, this slideshow is going to be available to you on Canvas Classroom. I will probably put it here somewhere on the Bitmoji Classroom. You can always go back and watch these videos. You can ask a classmate. You can ask me. I ask that you please check the video and or ask a classmate before you ask me. So let's move on.